So I have 3 smart lights. They were sent to me by VillaNeri. They're hooked up in sequence, and the first one controls all 3. There's some smart abilities. Let's take a look at this box. Let's open it up. I was really surprised at how well these things were built. They're made of solid metal. I mean, they're heavy, they're well constructed, and they come with these awesome metal spikes that you can just drill. You just attach them to the bottom and then you just stuff them into the ground. So this is gonna come in handy when I put these out in front. They are well constructed. Nice, thick plastic around the top with solid metal frames. These things feel like they will last 100 years. I mean, I literally took a hammer to these things. You basically just hammer these spikes onto the bottom and they're not coming off. You can take them off, but they're not coming off. I think this is one of the hardest things, is trying to figure out where to put these pieces in the front yard. I mean, I tried a few different spots along the driveway, along the front of the house, along the walkway. Ultimately, I think along the walkway looked the best. You are limited because you do have to plug these into an outlet. So you need to run them somewhere near the house. You can run some pretty long extension cords for them, but you do need an outlet. So I did ultimately decide to put these things in front of the house, like right along that front pathway.